Some people compare themselves for them to say that they are successful. You never measure your success by comparing yourself to others. People cause most of them you're better than. So, hindi mo pwedeng ikumpara yung sarili mo sa mga tao na mas nakalalaman ka para sabihin na successful ka sa buhay. Because it is depend on how you achieve those things. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na mas marami kang kayamanan is masasabi na successful ka na sa buhay. Because most of them, kahit marami ng pera, minsan kapag hindi nila kaya na i-handle yung isang bagay, nawawala din. So, success is not the measured by what you've done compared to what others have done. Success is measured by what you've done compared to what you know you should have done. So, napakalino na hindi ito yung basihan na ikukumpara mo yung sarili mo sa iba na kasi mas nakakalamang ka, kaya mo sinasabi na successful ka na. O maraming kang kalamangan doon sa tao, kaya nasasabi mo na successful ka na sa buhay. Sabi doon, success is measured by what you've done compared to what you know you should have done. Kumpara doon sa mga alam mo na magagawa mo, na nagawa mo na. So, yung pagiging successful sa buhay, akala natin kapag yung mga goal natin, na-achieve na natin, yun na yung success. But it depends on how you run through o paano mo lakaran yung isang pinapangarap mo na consistent. Ibig sabihin, nakikita mo na successful ka na dahil nakita mo na nagagawa mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong magawa. At hindi yan yung kapag nagawa mo, titigilan mo. But you continue to do it because it is the right thing na makakatulong sa'yo para patuloy ka pa mag-improve. Alam natin na yung buhay ay punong-puno ng challenges, punong-puno ng mga kabiguan, failure, but the most important is you know what to do. You know your part. At yung success na na-achieve mo, you know that it should be done.